Hello viewers, today in this video I am going to show you how to fix Twitter apps is verification error. Let's start. First of all, open your Twitter X account. Tap on Twitter X. Now tap on profile icon. Tap on here. And tap on edit profile. Then tap on birth date and change your birth date. Tap on continue. After doing this, follow my next step. Tap on again profile icon. Now scroll down little bit. Tap on settings and support. Then tap on settings and privacy. Tap on your account. Then tap on account information. Now log out your account and log in again. By doing this process, hopefully solve your problem successfully. Thanks for watching this video. If this video helpful for you, please like this video and subscribe to my channel.